What's up, everyone? Today we're going to talk about 3 reasons why adult daycare is the future. My name is Chris Chana with Active Age Daytime Senior Care, and number 1 reason is cost of living. Because of cost of living, you have seniors living on a fixed budget. As the cost of living continues to increase, insurance, taxes, if you're purchasing a property later in life, whatever the case might be, your buying power has shrunk, the dollar has become devalued, and therefore your dollar just does not go as far. And in order for you to find more affordable and alternative costs of care, you're going to have to find other options like adult daycare. And number 2, because of cost of living and there's just this sheer expense of housing prices going up, you're gonna have more and more people, adult children, either moving in with their mom and their dad, or their mom and dad moving in with them, so that together they can conserve costs. And by doing that, they're gonna be living in the same environment. They're going to need ways to get a break. They're gonna need ways to just get some relief from the responsibility of taking care of someone 24/7, 365. And one of the best ways to do that is, of course, gonna be adult daycare. And number 3 is working at home. Another reason why, think about this, adult children taking care of their mom and dad. Now they're working from home. At least 25% of the population is working from home. But during the pandemic, it spiked up to 69%. So the reality of it is there's gonna be opportunities where people are working remotely, they're working from home. And if they are, they're going to need a care solution where mom or dad or their spouse gets out of the home for a little bit so they can focus on what they need to do for work. So number 3 reason why, again, adult daycare is the future. Those are your 3 reasons why. If you want to learn more, go to adcpro.com. We'll see you soon. Now get back to work. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.